Hey guys, chill out right here.
And you won't believe what we just got. Let's go check it out.
So what we have here is a GoPro Hero 5, the black edition, of course.
Huge shout out to our librarian.
Let us use this. We'll put the link in the description, and here we go. Okay, here it goes.
So right off the bat, you can see that we got the GoPro, of course.
Is that like a sticky mount, I
think?
Probably.
That's probably what it is.
Okay.
I think that's a mount.
So we have the, I think, yeah, tripod, I'm pretty sure here.
If you unscrew it.
Probably. Sounds like it.
I've done a little bit of research on this.
Yep, tripod. And you could probably set it like that. Screw it in there and, you know, get it however you need to set it up. So,
yeah.
Put that back up. And I'm pretty sure that this is the charging port.
Oh no, it's
he must have already had his thing in, so,
but
I wonder if that's probably fully charged, of course.
Hopefully it is. So let's get right to the GoPro.
Okay, let's put that back.
Hold this.
Okay, so here we have the GoPro, and I guess let's turn it on. Got some fingerprints on it. Makes a little beeping noise.
That's recording?
Oh, it's 41%.
That's okay.
Not bad, Mr. Librarian. Okay. Oh, whoa! Almost dropped it. So mode.
What?
Oh, it's recording.
It's recording.
Okay, we did that. We're not professionals yet. Okay.
We're not good at using GoPros yet.
Okay. Okay, so it's on, and here we can obviously tell. Oh, it's like a. Is it a touchscreen?
Oh, it's a touchscreen?
Look at the photo. Night. I don't know if that. I don't know. We can try that out here in a bit. Might go out and walk around and see what's going on. Burst. I don't know what that is, but maybe it's like a.
It's like, I think that means several pictures at once.
Okay. Oh, Danny's here.
Yo, hi, what's up, Danny?
Hi. So, wait, how is the review going so far?
It's going pretty good.
This is awesome.
Man, like, I can't believe our librarian hooked us up with this GoPro Hero 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so, and the size, it's pretty small. Not the smallest ones, but, well, it's a case, so let's take it out and see what goes in here. Yeah, there we go. Go like this.
Wait, try it the other way, because it has that lens on it. Just push it out the other way. Oh, no.
It looks like it can only go out one way.
Oh no, the button's in the way. Get it over the button.
Nope. You got it.
I don't know, the button's kind of in the way. But I don't know, I don't want to rip it.
Alright, we're going to have our friend Danny here try to get it out of the case.
Wait, what button? I see. What button's in the way?
Oh, the on button.
Oh.
Okay, so.
Yeah.
There we go.
There you go.
Yeah, there we go. And you could probably just record like this, like a little,
also,
thing.
he has this lens on it that it might.
I think that might come off. I really don't know.
Let's see how wide it gets. Oh, that's pretty wide for how close we are.
Yeah, it is.
That's like
It's a pretty wide screen.
really wide. We'll put the
See, like here.
and again, we don't know the exact specs of the GoPro Hero 5, but we'll put them in the description or put them at the end of the video. One or the other. So that looks like where the SD card goes.
So that's the card.
And the battery. That's where the battery goes to.
I don't want to take it out right now. But we can, like, I don't know, like charge it and stuff. I think he said he was talking about how, like, the little door here came off. Not very long after he had it, which sucks.
So we cut at the last part, which you just saw, because it took a while to get the mount on. But here it is with the mount on.
Yeah, it just took a while. It wasn't that hard. But yeah, as you can see, it is a little unstable. But
so out of a 1 to 10, what would you rate this product?
I mean, if it was like stability, probably not the best, but like for the tripod part. But see, like this part, like easily a pretty high rating, like probably an 8 or better. So
is that for the camera or just the
with everything put together, probably about 8.
I think this deserves a montage.
Hey guys, chill out with me.
Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Please leave a comment because we read every single comment.
Peace.